Hello people, good to be back. Yeah, good to be back. This is your girl NY. Hello everybody. Please, today I know they gist about relationship tips. On Saturdays normally we are supposed to be gisting about relationship tips, but because today dey special, I no go gist about relationship tips. Today I go break and down. Wetin make me dey speak broken today be say so many people say they no dey understand this my blah 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 English. So now it make me don break and down so that old or young or average everybody go fit understand wetin I dey speak. Today dey special, na im make we no dey speak about relationship tips. Today I get something new for una, but before I gist una, make una no forget to like make una no forget to comment make una no forget to share, and make una no forget to subscribe. Most of you, una see that red button wey dey by the side, na to click ding ding ding. You don't subscribe. If you subscribe, you press notification button so that each time I drop any new video, you go get notified. Una dey hear me, abi? My people, today I want tell una something new. Last week we talk about Nigerian guys wey dey Cyprus. Today I dey talk about Cameroonians wey dey Cyprus. The thing don't dey my mind too much. That make me say make I talk about am, because Cameroonians na people wey na very peaceful being. Those people they run from wahala. They don't like trouble. But it don't dey my mind since now I say make I just pour my belly today. A hand of applause to all the Cameroonians wey dey Cyprus. Those people dey try. They do legal duty. They do legal job. Those guys they hustle. They hustle. They bustle to make ends meet. They know they forehand. Cameroonians wey dey Cyprus, those people they very hardworking. Anyhow job they odd job or chabu they do am. They no want police wahala. If Cameroonians self get party today, police come there, Cameroonians go jejely pack all in property comot, because those people no want wahala. Cameroonians they are very peaceful beings. I say Cameroonians, thumbs up to una. Even every other female for any other African country love to mingle with Cameroonians, because those people they dey very nice, they dey very humble, they dey very simple, and they dey very trustworthy. Cameroonians no get dubious mind though. They no get mind. They know they feel they do person evil. They no get liver. Cameroonians no get liver. Now people wey dey very united, understanding, loving. If Cameroonian get issue now, every other Cameroonian for Cyprus go pull hand and say, where my brother, my sister, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Where qu'est-ce qui se passe? Pardon, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Be say waiting they happen, Que Dieu bénisse tous les Camerounais qui sont à Chine. Waiting I just talk now for those who don't understand French. Be say may God bless every Cameroonian wey dey Cyprus and every Cameroonian wey dey everywhere, any part for the world, because Cameroonians are very peaceful people. They dey very loving, they dey very peaceful, they dey very united and loving. Cameroonians they try. Even Cameroonian girls they very hardworking. If you go Cyprus, you go see Cameroonian girls, they go just look local and everything. Why? Because those girls they hustle. They believe in hard work. Those girls believe say person need to work to eat. So I say thumbs up to Cameroonians. I greet both the male and the female where they hustle for Cyprus. Una do well. Cameroonians no believe say you go sit down house like this, person go come give you something to eat, or you go fold hand, they depend on somebody. No. Cameroonians they hustle, and they are so united. They dey very peaceful, they dey very loving, accommodative, very understanding. Cameroonians get good mind. They know they feel they do person evil, and they love legal duty. Now the one way they even they trip me past. Those people they fear anything we get to do with wahala, we get to do with Ekelebe issue. They know they like any issue where Ekelebe police go show inside the matter. I say it good. Apart from say they know them for Makosa and everything. Yes, so Cameroonians are very lively people. They like drink. Yes, they like drink. They like mimbo. It's them la boisson. Boisson na drink. They like drink, but they very, very peaceful. If they drink like this, they go back, go sleep. If they don't listen to Bikosi or Makosa, they don't get wahala. They don't go to find anybody wahala. They go to think about their next move. Cameroonians make una keep up with that attitude. Na God go bless una, c'est Dieu qui va vous bénir. Ce n'est pas facile, mais ça va aller. Wetin I tell them just now be say e no easy, but everything go dey alright last. Shey una get? So like this today, we talk about Cameroonians because those people too much. They very loving, they very united, they very friendly. Cameroonians are one of the most sociable people in the world concerning as in when you get to do with African country. Cameroonians now one of the people where they socialize, where they mingle, they very lively. You know, they believe say because say you know be them, they no go mingle. No, anything if you from any African country, as far as you don't invite Cameroonians, say I beg show up for me on a party on a birthday or now I get one issue, Cameroonian go show up for you. So Cameroonians, may God bless you now. And please, wetin I want try talk be say, may every African country, may they behave like Cameroonians and Nigeria, may they united. I know say every other African country, I don't know how far they go, but wetin I dey talk be say they no pass like that. Make una dey united, make una dey understand one another. May peace, love and unity dey. If any matter dey sup, make una dey show up for one another. Whether you be Namibia or Zimbabwe or Zambia or South Africa, no, as far as say you from Africa, as far as say you get black skin, make you dey stand for one another. Una hear abi? Shey una get, make una dey stand for one another. Nothing like say I'm from this country or this one from this country. Make una dey do like Cameroonians and Nigerians and even Namibians, anyone who una call them, make una dey do like them. Make unity, peace, love dey, so that if anything dey sup, now what for now? If matter don't show, yeah we renew. If matter don't show, everybody go show. As far as say we be Africans, we must stand for one another. My people, today I was just talking about Cameroonians in Cyprus. Upcoming Saturday, I never know waiting there on ground, but we'll continue with our normal relationship tips. Every gist we will get as from this Saturday onward, now relationship tips. So if you get any question or anything where you want ask or you want know or you need to know or you want make I tell viewers, I beg just comment, or share, like, subscribe, so that I go feel know. Once you comment, you make your point known, so that NY go feel help you express wetin dey your mind. Make una not forget to una get NY dey for una back. Oh, I got you guys. I love you so much. God bless you. One love. Stay tuned every Saturday as from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. NY will be there live to give you guys gist on relationship tips or to talk about an African country. But a normal gist on every Saturday is about relationship tips. Wetin made me broke am down today for broken because so many people no dey understand wetin I dey talk. Na made me bring am down to this level. Thank you so much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. My love.